Hello Eric DIY viewers, today we're reviewing the Yinenn heat resistant barbecue gloves. The Yinenn heat resistant barbecue gloves are basically gloves made out of meta-aramid fiber Nomex. Basically it's the same material that they make United States Air Force jackets out of, so they are definitely heat resistant. The exposure times tell you how long you could expose them to heat. At 932 degrees Fahrenheit you have 10 to 12 seconds of exposure time. At 662 degrees Fahrenheit, you have 13 to 16 seconds of exposure time. At 482 degrees Fahrenheit, you have 17 to 22 seconds. And at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, you have 50 to 60 seconds. Seeing that we grill on average 350 degrees, I would say that you probably have about 30 to maybe 40 seconds if you're pushing it to keep your hand on a hot object. Again, these gloves are only meant to extend the amount of time that you can have your hand on a hot object. It's not fireproof. We'll try them out though. We're gonna grill some ribs right there. The other great thing about the Yinenn gloves before I put them on are that they have this wrist cover over here. So the wrist cover protects you even more from spills and stuff getting on your hands. It's not just short into the hands, so that is a good feature to have. So you can see that these are what the gloves look like when on, and again they have a wrist protection right here. The grill's warming up. I haven't cleaned it yet, but we're at about 250 degrees. According to that, should be about 50 seconds of things. I'm not going to hold my hand there for 50 seconds. I'm just going to show you that's not going to burn my hand if I touch the burner. So here we go. Right in the front. And I cannot feel any heat on my hands right now. And that's at 250 degrees. And as you can see, the silicone keeps on the gloves and it'll keep any grip that you need on anything. Actually, I can feel a little heat now. So it depends on how much you leave it. But as you can see, the gloves, perfect, no problems. Alright, I have to clean the grill because this actually broke off last time I was grilling, so I'm going to try it by using the glove. This is at 350 degrees now. Way easier to clean the grill like this, by the way. You just get right in there with your hand and nothing is burning. Again, the wrist guard is helping because even the heat that's going towards my wrist is non-existent. So we're a little less than 350 degrees and the pork's cooking. Put my hand right down on the grill now. And you can feel a little heat, but it's not like burning heat. Nothing's burning either side. So they're double-sided, so that way you can put them on one hand or the other. So just to show you, by having it as a glove design, it's really easy to just flip things over and to have a lot more control while cooking food on the grill. On a side note, these would have been nice for when I camped and made a fire the other day because I actually burned myself. So you can use these for camping as well. They handle any hot stuff, any hot pans, pots, cups, and that's probably where I'm going to put them. I'm going to put them right in the camping gear. And one last time of the Yinenn heat resistant barbecue gloves. It's about 400 degrees on the grill right now. We'll put the handrest right down on the grill. And again, it feels a little warm, but nothing else. So I highly recommend the Yinenn heat resistant barbecue gloves if you're doing any type of cooking. Again, I'm probably going to use them for camping to get like pots and pans off the camping stove or near a fire. But you can pick up your very own by looking at the link in the description below. It'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase your own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support and just want to say thanks for watching and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.